Welcome to Spanish with Camila, your friendly Spanish learning podcast. Please support the channel by subscribing so we can keep creating more amazing Spanish lessons for you. Hello, everyone. I'm Camila, your Spanish teacher, and today we have a fun topic, talking about yourself in Spanish.
Hi, Camila. I'm excited. I want to learn how to say things like my name, my age, and where I'm from.
Perfect, Ben. That's exactly what we'll learn today. We'll start with the most basic question, how to say your name. In Spanish, you can say this, me llamo. It means my name is. For example, me llamo Camila. My name is Camila. Can you try it, Ben?
Sure. Me llamo Ben.
Perfect. Perfect. Very good pronunciation. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Can you say me llamo and then your name? Go on, try it now. Nice. That's how we introduce ourselves. Another way to say it is soy. It means I am. For example, soy Ben. I am Ben. Both are correct, but me llamo sounds more natural when you meet someone. Let's repeat both. Me llamo Ben. Soy Ben. Great, let's move on. Now let's learn how to say where you are from. In Spanish, we say soy de. It means I'm from. For example, soy de Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States.
Okay, so I can say soy de Estados Unidos.
Perfect. Now, if you're from Pakistan, you can say soy de Pakistan. Or if you're from India, soy de India. Now you try, dear listener. Say soy de and then your country. Good. Let's say it one more time together. Soy de Estados Unidos. Soy de Pakistan. Soy de India. Nice. Now, Ben, let's learn how to say your age. In Spanish, we use the verb tener. It means to have. We say, Tengo años. I am años years old. So, if you're 25, you say, Tengo 25 años.
Oh, so not I am, but I have?
Yes, exactly. In Spanish, you have years, not are years. It's a little funny, right? So, how old are you, Ben?
I'm 20, so I say tengo 20 años.
Perfecto. Now you, listener, say your age. Tengo años. Good job. Let's repeat. Tengo 20 años. Tengo 25 años. Tengo 30 años. Now, let's talk about what you do, your job or studies. To say, I am a student, you say, soy estudiante.
Soy estudiante.
Perfect. If you work, you can say, soy profesor, I'm a teacher, or soy doctor, I'm a doctor. If you want to say you don't work, just say, no trabajo, I don't work. Let's practice a few. Soy estudiante. I'm a student. Soy profesor. I'm a teacher. No trabajo. I don't work. Now you try. Now, Ben, tell me, do you have a family?
Yes, I do. I have a small family. My mom, dad, and sister.
Perfect. In Spanish, family is familia. Let's learn some easy words. Madre, mother. Padre, father. Hermano, brother. Hermana, sister. Now listen and repeat after me. Madre,
Madre.
padre.
Padre.
Hermano,
Hermano.
hermana. Perfect. To say, I have a brother, you say, tengo un hermano. And I have a sister, tengo una hermana. Now you try. Say, tengo un hermano, or tengo una hermana. Nice job. Do you have any pets, Ben?
Yes, I have a dog.
Ah, cute. In Spanish, dog is perro and cat is gato. K. So, to say I have a dog, you say Tengo un perro. And I have a cat, tengo un gato. Let's repeat. Tengo un perro. Tengo un gato. Now your turn, dear listener. Okay, Ben. Now let's talk about what you like. In Spanish, we say me gusta, I like. For example, me gusta la música, I like music. Me gusta el fútbol, I like football. If you don't like something, say no me gusta, I don't like. For example, no me gusta el café, I don't like coffee.
Okay, I like movies, so I say me gusta el cine. And I don't like fish, so no me gusta el pescado.
Excellent! Now you, listener, tell us what you like. Say me gusta and add something you love. Great! Now say one thing you don't like. Perfect! You're doing amazing! All right, amigos, let's quickly review what we learned today. Repeat after me. Te llamo Camila. My name is Camila. Soy de Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. Tengo 20 años. I'm 20 years old. Soy estudiante. I'm a student. Tengo un hermano. I have a brother. Tengo un perro. I have a dog. Me gusta la música. I like music. No me gusta el café. I don't like coffee.
Wow, that's a lot of Spanish, but it's fun.
Yes, Ben, you're doing great, and so are our listeners. Remember, repeat these phrases every day. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And that's all for today's episode of Spanish with Camila. If you enjoyed learning, please support us by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends. Next time, we'll learn how to ask simple questions in Spanish, like, what is your name? Where are you from? And more.
I can't wait. See you in episode 3.
Hasta luego, amigos. See you later, friends. Ua.